So in this video we're just going to have a look at, first of all, the Oxford Road roundabout. So this is coming from the Oxford Road towards the town centre in Aylesbury, and we're going to turn right at the roundabout. The important thing with roundabouts, and particularly this one, is that we need to spiral away from the roundabout so that we end up in the left-hand lane on the exit. As you can see, we're approaching this lane in the right-hand lane, and we're going to turn right. Looking well ahead, we can see the traffic flowing in the roundabout. There's one car turning right, and then after that things are looking good for us, so we can continue on. You can see the lane markings. It's a bit damp, but you can make them out. And then as we come around the corner, you can see we're pulling away to the left, so easing into the left-hand lane. Just remember to stay to the left of that line. Okay, now the next part of the video really focuses on the bus lanes. We have to move across to the right, to the middle here, because the left lane turns and there's a bus lane. But if we get it wrong and don't go over at the end of the bus lane like this, then we'll end up in the middle lane on approach to the roundabout, okay, which can potentially cause us problems. By being in the left lane here, we're in the correct lane to go straight ahead. We're in a good lane for dealing with faster traffic, which can overtake us on the right. And then after the next set of lights, we come to this next bus lane, and again the same issue here. What we want to do, if we're going straight ahead at the waterside roundabout, there is a separate video on this, but we need to get over to at the end of the bus lane. So basically these two bus lanes in Aylesbury, if you're alongside them, remember at the end you need to move to the left so you're positioned correctly. So let's see what happens if we don't do that. Okay, so here the driver stays in this lane, in this middle lane. A lane opens up on the left, so now he's in the right hand of two straight-on lanes. And what he does, he forgets that that's what's happened, and he drives straight across into the left lane without looking. Okay, at this point, he's changed lanes without realizing that he's done it, and put himself and other road users at danger. This would be generally considered to be a serious fault by the driving examiners, and also by anybody who's on your left-hand side as you come up to that roundabout. Similarly, if we carry on in this lane and don't go left at the end of the bus lane as we approach the waterside roundabout, you can see that we end up in the middle lane on the roundabout, and therefore we end up in the right-hand lane, if we stay in our lane, as we come off the roundabout.